When the temperatures get too hot, where do the animals go? Nowhere Left to Go: How Climate Change is Driving Species to the Ends of the Earth by Benjamin Von Brackel, who's an environmental journalist living in Berlin, Germany. He says the nature reserves today are becoming the prisons of tomorrow. Due to warming temperatures, deforestation, and a lack of a water source, the most sensitive plant and animal species are unable to cope with the big changes, and they are trying to migrate north to cooler areas. But they are impeded by the roads, the agriculture, and development. It is confirmed that land species are moving north 10 miles per decade, and the fish are moving north 45 miles per decade. The warmer temperatures of the water increase fish metabolism, their heart rate, and they need more oxygen. However, warmer waters have less oxygen. Some of the female fish are also absorbing their eggs because it's too warm to spawn. It is expected that tropical fishing will collapse by 2050, and it will increase by 70% in the north. Current tree species are also struggling with climate change, and many are dying. Drought-resistant trees are trying to grow in their place, but there are not enough of them. It is expected by 2050 we will have 300 species of trees left. Right now we have 600. We used to have many more than 1,000. By going down to 300 tree species, we're going to lose a lot of diversity. That's a lot of habitat and food for other animals. Von Brackel also looks at human populations, and they have tended to congregate in areas where there's an average temperature of 55 degrees Fahrenheit. It's good for animals, agriculture, the economy, and good for our mental health. But over the next 50 years, the average temperature is expected to increase to 64 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, humans are pretty adaptable, and they continue to move closer to the equator. But we've just said that the animals and the fish are moving away from the equator. Plus, there's less fresh water source down there. Von Brackel says in order for us to survive, we cannot leave biological diversity to chance. Our nature reserves need to focus on the needs of plant and animal species more than the wants of humans. In Ecuador, Singapore, and Australia, they're developing forest corridors where animals can travel to other areas, expanding their genetic diversity and helping out ecosystems. We are all interconnected, and we need to all work together in order to survive. Nowhere Left to Go by Benjamin Von Brackel. Thanks for watching. Keep reading and have a great week.